Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll solve two linear equations. Let's start with the first equation. 1 over 2 times 6x minus 8 plus 3 times x plus 2 equals 4 times 2x minus 1. We have to find the value of variable x in this equation. In the first term, we have fraction 1 over 2. It'll be easier to solve this equation if we get rid of this fraction. In the other terms in this equation, the denominator of 3 is 1, the denominator of 4 is 1. We can get rid of the fraction by multiplying each term in this equation by the lowest common denominator or lowest common multiple of the denominator numbers. The denominators are 2 and 1. The lowest common denominator or the lowest common multiple is 2. So we should multiply each term in this equation by 2. In the first term, 2 times 1 over 2 is equal to 1. The 2's cancel each other out. In the second term, 2 times 3 is 6. And in the third term, 2 times 4 is 8. Next, we should get rid of the parentheses in this equation. We should distribute the terms in their respective parentheses. In the first term, we should distribute 1. We should multiply both terms in the parentheses by 1. In the second term, we should distribute 6. We should multiply both terms in the parentheses by 6. And on the right side, we should distribute 8 into the parentheses. We should multiply both terms in the parentheses by 8. I get 6x minus 8 plus 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 2 is 12. 8 times 2x is 16x. 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. Next, we should combine like terms on the left side of the equation. 6x and 6x are like terms. 6x plus 6x is equal to 12x. Negative 8 and positive 12 are like terms. Negative 8 plus 12 is equal to positive 4. Next, we can gather and combine x terms on the left side of the equation. We should subtract 16x from both sides. 12x minus 16x is equal to negative 4x. In this step, 4 and negative 8 are like terms. We can gather and combine the number terms on the right side of the equation. We should subtract 4 from both sides. Negative 8 minus 4 is equal to negative 12. Next, we should divide both sides by negative 4. Negative 12 divided by negative 4 is equal to positive 3. This is the solution for the first equation. Now we can solve the second equation. 5 over 8 plus 3 over 4 equals x over 5. In this equation, there are three terms. All of them are in fraction form. It'll be easier to solve this equation if we can get rid of the fractions. For that, we should multiply each term in this equation by the lowest common denominator or the lowest common multiple of the three denominators. The denominators are 8, 4 and 5. The lowest common multiple is 40 because 40 is the smallest number that is evenly divided by 8, 4 and 5. So we should multiply all three terms by 40. Now we can get rid of the denominators. In the first term, we can reduce 40 and 8. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. In the second term, we can reduce 4 and 40. 4 goes into 40 10 times. 3 times 10 is 30. And on the right side, we can reduce 5 and 40. 5 goes into 40 8 times. X times 8 is equal to 8x. Next, we can combine the like terms on the left side. 25 plus 30 is equal to 55. We can isolate x in this step by dividing both sides by 8. I get x equals 55 over 8. We cannot reduce this fraction, so this should be the final answer for the second equation. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve these linear equations. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.